and therefore kind of what are the potential solutions. And then I think another key one is, we're talking about stakeholders here, is engage them and get a really good understanding from them of going, well, okay, we've hit this challenge, or things have gone this way. The options we've got for resolving it are X, Y, Z, because a lot of the time you don't want to have to go, right, we'll just reboot and almost start again, because that could be days, weeks, months that you've lost of potential time. And actually half the time, it's not all lost effort, but there may be particular decisions you need to make to go, actually, we can resolve this and we can kind of get through it by doing X, Y, or Z. And part of it is very much around understanding what's required versus kind of aiming for perfection. In that it's very easy for you when you start a project to go, we're going to get to here and everything's going to work and it's going to all look really, really good and it's going to do everything that we want. Whereas as you work through things, there are always going to be decisions you have to make. And kind of there was a recent example about a year ago where we were building an extensive data model. And one of the key things that we had to work through was there are areas where parts of this data model don't quite work, where fields are kind of not 100% reliable, or kind of things don't quite work beyond a certain date. And what we needed to work through was get stakeholders, get key people from the team that are using that data together and go, how big a deal is that? Is that something that we need to go, no, for that field, we have got to fix it, make sure it works completely, otherwise we can't work with it? Or is it something that we go, actually, the difference there is something where we've lost decimal places, or we've kind of, something's gone that actually, unless we're looking at this in minute detail, which we're not going to do because we're doing analysis over a wide range of data, it's fine for us to accept. Or actually the data is fine going back to 2017 and realistically we don't care about what happened 10 years ago, so we can accept that and we'll caveat it, make sure people are aware, but actually as long as people know what the kind of guardrails are, they can work with that data to their heart's content and they're not going to experience any problems.
Good, Matt.